Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about how you can compress large video files to smaller sizes without losing much of the video quality. And to do this, you're going to need a software called Handbrake. So Handbrake is an open source video transcoder that lets you compress these large video files to small sizes. And I'm going to put the link in the description for this. Okay, so let us open Handbrake. As you can see, I have a clip with me here that is about 50 MBs. It's 48.9 MBs to be specific. So we are just going to drag that and drop it onto Handbrake. And we're going to start the encoding process. But as we start the encoding process, I'm just going to show you the quality of the clip before we compress it. And I'm going to show you the quality of the product of the compression. Alright, the compression process is done, so we're gonna click on browse to find the target video, the compressed video rather, and I'm just gonna try and open it. So there you go, you can tell there's no major drop in video quality whatsoever, but we're more interested in how big the difference is between the sizes of the original and the compressed video, so we're just gonna check for that. So there you go, you can see the final product has about 8 MBs. That is really impressive guys, because there's a major difference of like 40 MBs between these two videos. So this is just a really great way to reduce on video sizes, especially if you upload videos to YouTube or social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp or Instagram. Thanks very much for watching till the end guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. So until next time, peace.